What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna be doing a full roof and hood wrap on this Mitsubishi, well, same damn vehicles we did last time on the last video. So if you wanna watch that video, go check that video out. But we're doing this one, it's an Outlander. Whatever, I just did another one of these and I forget already. Thanks, Eric. Thanks to him. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and start on the roof. We got a big piece of satin black here. This is what the customer wanted, so satin black it is. Pull it off. And then fold it in. Under the football. Going down. That's beautiful. Do the same thing on the front here. Let me get my finger there, pull and glass. Oh yeah. There you go. You can start to if you want. At an angle. When you get where it's like full tension, snap it back. Snap back and then just hold it up. And then go. All right, guys, we now have the roof wrap finished. Oh, actually, I gotta finish up this corner here yet. And I think one or two of these back corners. Other than that, yeah, I gotta finish trimming that. It's done. Everything's tucked, cut. We got all our edges tucked all the way around. Just gotta cut out the hole for that down to go back in. But yeah, that's where we're gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna go get supper and do the hood and finish the back pieces on the back hatch. So. Go. Do your triangles. You want to go to here? By the way, guys, this is Mike. He's been helping me with some wraps. You guys might have seen him in the last video, or parts of him in the last video. He's just learning how to wrap, so I'm just teaching him and getting him to help me with some jobs here. So if you guys see him around in videos or on my Instagram or whatever, that is why. He's also helping out a bit at TL Wrap Tools. By the way, TL Wrap Tools just dropped some new products. Go check that out. Link in the description. Just finishing up this hood here. Just gotta wrap all my edges. And then we will almost complete this job after Mike's done this here. Just gotta do this part here. All right, so we got the hood fully done now. Post-heated, edges cut, ready to go. Wrapped all the way around. So that's the grill. There we go. We got a satin hood, roof. Just need to do the shark fin antenna yet, and then we are done. All right, well, that is full roof done. and hood done. Well guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. But got the gloss, freaking satin, you idiot. Got the satin roof, satin hood. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys have gone satin like we did here, matte, or gloss? I don't know. The end product actually looks pretty good. Originally I thought, you know, we should have gone gloss. I still think gloss would have suited this vehicle better for this application because we got the gloss there, gloss here. It would have just flowed, but this looks good. There we go. See you guys in the next one.